Hello everyone, this is the second video to talk about the 007 store. This time we're going to talk about the customer experience, specifically the registration process, the login, and the profile information that you can see once you are logged in into the application. So let's start with the registration process. Here you have the option, the main page of the portal. Um, you have to enter your name, last name, username, email, and the passwords. Just gonna leave temporarily these fields empty so that you can see the validation process. For this first field, we are using plain JavaScript. That is a validation that's being done in the front end. Um, let's complete that with the last name, and let's keep this one password confirmation empty so that you can see that this is also a validation that's being done, and this time in the backend. We are validating that the application is validating that the passwords are the same, and this is being done in the backend using Express Validator. So let's enter the right information here with the same passwords. And what we should see is John Doe registered um, in the system. So we have this confirmation here indicating that the profile has been created. We just need to click here to continue. And once you do that, you can see your profile information, name, last name, login ID, and email. That's the registration process. Now let's move on to the login process. So once you are in the database, you can log in. Let's do our login with this new user that we just created. I'm gonna leave password field empty just for a moment so that you can see we are also validating here the main fields for the login process. We are validating the password and also the user email. Both validations are being done in the front end. Let me enter the password information and continue with the login process. So once you do that, the application is gonna log you in. You can see your profile information again, and you have a session that was created into the system. For this, we are using Express Session Library. Um, Once the system logs you in, it will identify that you have your session already created. So when you try to register again or log in again into the system, um, because of that session, it's being identified. So the system is not going to show you the registration fields or the login fields because you are already logged in into the system. So that's the basic functionality. That's all for this second video. Uh, The next video will continue with the customer experience, but this time we're going to show another functionalities as product navigation by category, the functionality to see the details of the product, the functionality to add uh, products to your cart, including the ability to remove items or products from your cart in your shopping process. So if you want to go and see those details, you are very welcome in our next video. Thank you.